everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with an invitation. I'm going to be co-hosting a challenge with Jessenia from Be Thrifty too, and I am over the moon. She is adorable, she is really talented, and her channel is amazing. So it's a real honor that she asked me to co-host with her monthly Make It New challenge. I'm going to be co-hosting with her for October, and the challenge, I love it because it gives you the freedom to do whatever you want to do. There is no theme. You have to take something old, maybe you have it at home, you thrifted it, you found it in the garbage, doesn't matter, and you have to try to make it look like new. Maybe something small like a vase, maybe a big piece of furniture. It's up to you. Let's get into the rules. Rule number 1, subscribe to both channels and mention both channels somewhere in your video. Rule number 2, make something old new again. Rule number 3, add the name of the challenge to your title and the hashtag Make It New Challenge in the description box, as well as the link to the playlist. Rule number 4, schedule your video for 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on October 8th. The playlist will be available the day before, so you will be able to add your video to the playlist if you have it ready in advance the day before. But keep it private till 4 p.m. on October 8th. If you have any problem adding your video, contact us and we will try to help you. That's it. The last rule, rule number 5, of course, is have fun. This is all about having fun. Hope you will join us, if it's not with a video, watching the videos in the playlist, and hope to see you on October 8th. Thank you again, Jessenia, for inviting me, and thank you to all of you for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.